Hi everyone, how to solve this math problem? We have two equations, a square minus b is equal to 133 and b square minus a is equal to 133. We have to find the value of a and b, whereas a is not equal to b. So we'll start the solution of this question. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will mark the first equation, a square minus b is equal to 133 as the first equation, and this as the second, b square minus a is equal to 133, second equation. Now we will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So it will be a square minus b square minus a, 133 minus 133. So we'll multiply this negative sign inside the bracket, a square minus b square plus a is equal to 0. Now we will rearrange this equation, a square minus b square plus a minus b is equal to 0. As we all know that a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b plus a minus b as it is equal to 0. Now we can see that a minus b here, a minus b here, so we'll take a minus b common, left with a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. So either this term will be equal to 0 or this term will be equal to 0. That is a minus b equal to 0 or a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Adding the b on both sides we get a equals b, but adding b on both sides we get a equals b, but this is rejected because we have given a is not equal to b, so we will reject this case, a minus b equal to 0. Now this a plus b plus 1 equals 0. We will subtract 1 on both sides, get a plus b equals minus 1. So we will mark this as a third equation. Now we will add equation 1 and equation 3. Equation 1, a square minus b plus a plus b and 133 plus minus 1 minus b plus b. We have a square plus a equals 133 minus 1 is 132. We will subtract this on both sides. We get a square plus a minus 132 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize this equation. 132 into 1 is 132. So we will write a square plus 12a minus 11a minus 132 is equal to 0. If we multiply this, we will get 132a square If we subtract this, we get plus a. Taking a common, left with a plus 12 minus 11 common, a plus 12 is equal to 0. So a minus 11, a plus 12 is equal to 0. Either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. A minus 11 equal to 0 or a plus 12 is equal to 0. Add 11 on both sides, we get the first value of a, which is 11. And subtract 12 on both sides, we get a equal minus 12. So we have two values of a, 11 and minus 12. Now we will use these values to find the value of b. We have a equal 11 and a equal minus 12. We have third equation, a plus b equal minus 1. So we will put 11 here. 11 plus b equal minus 1. B equal, subtract 11 on both sides, we get minus 12. So a, b will be equal to 11 minus 12. And we put minus 12 here. So a is a minus 12 plus b equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus 1 plus 12 and b is equal to 11. So a, b equals minus 12, 11. So final answer a, b is equal to 11 minus 12 and minus 12, 11. We will check one of the value whether this is correct or not. We have an equation to b square minus a equals 133. We will put a here and b here. Minus 12 square minus 11, 133. Minus 12 square is 144 minus 11, 133. 413, 413. 133 is equal to 133 means left hand side is equal to right hand side, and our value of AB is correct. Same you can do verification for this value of A and B. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.